So this is just a short tutorial to show you how the poster session is going to work. We're going to be using this platform that's called WonderMe. And once you enter, what you will see is just a background picture. So just to make it clear, you won't be able to click and be directed to the posters here, but we have the posters on the website, obviously. So you will be here, you will be asked for your avatar, for your name. And then once you're in this room, you can start wandering. You can see Maita is wandering around. So poster presenters will be standing next to their posters or on top of their posters. So we can see Sharon here. So if I want to start like going towards Sharon and I want to ask her about her poster, what I'm going to do is just get closer to her. And you can see that here a circle pops up, if you can see the circle here, and actually our camera also goes on and we can start talking. Hi, Sharon, how are you? And so then obviously, hi, Maita. Everybody who wants to join the circle can join the circle. And so Sharon can start telling me about her poster. I can ask questions. Whoever wants to join can also ask questions. One thing we realized, which is why while I was talking, Sharon and Maita muted themselves, is that we can have up to 15 people in the circle. And if you have 15 people and everybody's got their microphones on, it becomes there's quite a lot of echo. So probably better to sort of mute yourself if you're just listening for that moment. But at any time, you can unmute yourself and participate in the conversation. You can also chat. So you can have a chat on what we just trialed a little bit. If you are in a circle and somebody pops something, you can see it in the circle chat. Then that person can leave the circle and the message is going to stay in the chat. Or you can leave the circle, you come back and you will still be able to see the messages in the chat. But if you are a person who was not in the circle when the message was posted, then you won't be able to see it. So just so you know, in terms of if you're asking a question, somebody who might have just joined the circle and put a question in the chat might not know that that question had been asked before. So just start your conversation again, like a proper poster session. You can also obviously chat privately with people who are in the room, or you can post something, a message to everybody. I think that's all you specifically need to know. Sharon, Maita, have I forgotten something? Okay, so guys, the rooms are open and you can have the links. You have the links on the website already. So if you want to jump in before the poster session, just familiarize yourself with it. Feel free to do that. The rooms will be always open, basically. So thank you. Bye-bye. Stop recording. Maybe. Come on, stop recording.